Hey travelers, welcome back to another episode from Chicago.
Would you like to know how Chicago looks from up there? So let's go check it out. No worries, it doesn't have to be that dramatic.
You can also enjoy it in a relaxed way if you prefer. But let's start at the entrance.
360 Chicago is located in a building officially known until 2018 as the John Hancock Center. This is a 100-story super tall skyscraper located in the magnificent Mile District of Chicago.
Currently, the building has no name. It is simply referred to by its address, 875 North Michigan Avenue.
The entrance can be found on the Michigan Avenue side of the building.
Funny enough, you have to go down the stairs first to get to the top of the building.
You can't miss the entrance, because many signs will show you the way. You can buy tickets on site if you come by spontaneously.
But we bought ours online in advance, so we could skip the line at the ticket counter.
Ticket prices vary depending on the day and time you want to visit.
Checking out the website can therefore be worthwhile. As always, you will find the link to the official website in the video description.
After the entrance, you will be guided through a multimedia landscape to the lift. Within a few seconds, the elevator takes you up to the 94th floor. And as soon as the lift door opens, the city spreads out in all its beauty at your feet.
You can see in all four cardinal directions up to the horizon.
This is the view towards south.
The cars look really tiny from up here.
There in the background you can see Chinatown. And the imposing Willis Tower, of course. In the east, we see Lake Michigan and the Navy Pier. On the north side of the observation deck, we see Lakeshore Drive and Oak Street Beach. In the west you can see the well-known United Center, home of the Chicago Bulls and the Blackhawks.
The west side is of course also the best side to enjoy the sunset. While we wait for the sunset, we want to show you what else the observation deck has to offer.
You will find a shop and a bar here. The bar is appropriately called the Cloudbar. There is even an outdoor area so that you can experience the full feeling with wind and weather at this height. Last but not least, there is the thrill attraction Tilt. Here you can stand very close to the window and then be tilted 30 degrees outwards together with the window pane. This attraction costs extra. You can purchase tickets in advance,
Or for the spontaneous among you, there is a ticket counter directly on the observation deck. In the meantime, the sun has set and the skyline of Chicago shines in the glow of lights.
What a great sight! We hope you'll be back for the next episode.
Then we'll introduce you to a great accommodation in Chicago. Happy travels!